guys, this is Moni and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you corn porridge that we love so much in Guinea. We call it Boiri and we serve it during Ramadan. So I'm going to show you how to make this. It's really not so complicated when you get used to it. So I will show you now. We start by the ingredient list and then we do the recipe. I'm going to use some corn flour. You can use the dry corn and then you put in some water for a few hours and then you grind it to get the corn flour. You also can add some tamarind. If you don't have this, you can also add some lime or lemon juice. So I'm going to use this one, and sugar to your own taste. And also you need some water. So these are only the ingredients you need. So let's start. So the first thing is to make some small balls with your corn flour. You can do it here, or you can use a calabash, or you can also use something like this. But I'm going to use a bowl like this and do my small balls. So what I'm going to do is to add some water, and then I will turn like this in order to form small balls. If I have big ones, I will just remove them like this and then go again. So I will add more water if necessary. Now I think I have added enough water. I will just turn it like this. In case you have too much water, you can add a little bit of flour. So now it's ready. I'm going to let this sit 15 to 20 minutes in order to have them a little bit harder before I start using them. So after 20 minutes, you can see that my corn balls are ready. Now I'm going to use them. So I have here also 2 liters of water that is already boiling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of water and add to my tamarind. I'm going to add my corn. Now add slowly and then you mix. So we will let this cook for at least 30 minutes. You can reduce the heat to prevent it from burning or splitting. So we are not going to cover this because once you cover it will split. I will leave it like this for at least 20 to 30 minutes and then we'll be back. So after 30 minutes, I'm now going to add the sugar. So you will add the sugar to your own taste. Add a little bit and check to see. I will add around 200 grams of sugar, but it's all depends to you. So I'm going to mix up my tamarind, and then I will use the juice to add in my porridge. Now I will let this cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes on low heat until the sugar is well cooked, and then also the tamarind, everything mixed well together. I will remove and serve.